Hello everyone, so today we are going to discuss how to find the kth largest or smallest element in an array. So the problem statement is we will be given an array and a number k where k is smaller than the size of an array. We need to find the kth largest or smallest element in a given array. It is given that all array elements are distinct. So let's look at the example. So if we take an example where we have an array and it contains element 7, 10, 4, 3, 20 and 15 and we have given k is equal to 2. So the problem statement is we need to find the second largest element in this array. So in this case 15 will be the second largest element in a given array. Coming to the second example, we are given the same array but in this case k is equal to 3. That means we need to find the third largest element in a given array, and in this case 10 is the third largest element in a given array. So let's look at the solution for this problem. So the first solution is a simple solution, that is by sorting, and the time complexity for this solution will be n log n. So when the elements are sorted in ascending order, then in that case n minus k plus 1th element would be the kth largest element of a given array. So if we sort the array in ascending order, so in this example we have sorted our array in ascending order and we are given k is equal to 2. That means we need to find the second largest element in the given array, and n is equal to 6, that is the number of elements in a given array. So n minus k plus 1th element, that is n in this case is 6 and k is 2. So 6 minus 2 plus 1th element, that means the fifth element, which is the 15, which is the second largest element in a given array. So if we sort an array, so we can just use n minus k plus 1th element and say that it is the kth largest element in a given array. The second case is when the elements are sorted in descending order. So in that case the kth element would be the kth largest element in a given array. So for example, if we sort that given array, input array, in descending order, and if we see in this example k is equal to 3, so we need to find the third largest element in this given array. If we start from the 0th index, like 10 would be the third element and it would be the third largest element in a given array. So the second solution is using heap. So we can use both min heap and max heap to solve this problem. First we will look the example by using max heap. So the time complexity taken for max heap would be n plus k log n. So let's look at how we can use max heap. So in a max heap, as you know, like the maximum element is placed at the top and then we pop the top element and then we call heapify again to create a max heap. So basically in max heap what we do is we create a max heap and put the largest or the maximum element at the top of tree and then remove the element, and then again we call that heapify function to make max heap with the other elements present in a tree. So in max heap we place the maximum element first and then the second maximum element and so on. So in order to find the kth largest element for max heap, we need to pop the top k elements k times. That means if we have a max heap array and we need to find the third largest element, so we need to pop the array 3 times. So in this case what we will do is we will pop 3 times and we will get 10 as the third largest element in a given array. The second one is min heap. So min heap will take big O of k plus n minus k log k as time complexity. So in case of min heap, the minimum element would be placed at the top of a tree, and then when we pop the top element, we will call heapify to create a min heap again. So in this case, in case of min heap, in order to find the kth largest element from a min heap, so we need to pop the top element n minus k plus 1 time. So for example, if we created a min heap as 3, 4, 7, 10, 15 and 20, and we need to find the second largest element. So n minus k plus 1, that will be 6 minus 2 plus 1, that is the fifth element. So the fifth element would be the second largest element, and that is 15 in this case. So thanks for watching the video. Do hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel.